Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. I hope all of your preparation going well, and today I am going to make a big announcement. Big announcement is what? It is all about your subscription. I personally believe that until and unless there is a subscription model, I will not get the motivation to teach you, and you will not also get the motivation to follow my instruction, because when you will pay something, then it is going to be a motivational factor that you have to follow the instructions of the teacher. So why I said paid content? There is a famous saying in English that there is no free meals in this world. As you know that I am no doubt I will be teaching you in the paid subscription model. What my vision is, I will continue to provide the better value than what you will pay for. And the thing is, one of the online platforms, they approached me to teach in their platform, but I denied it. Why I denied it? I personally don't believe in the values of that particular online platform. They approached me, I don't take that particular online platform's name. So you can say that platform told me to teach in their platform and convert them into the paid them, and they wanted me to pay the commission from that particular paid thing. I do not believe in that. If I personally believe they are charging very high, I personally believe they are charging very high for the value they provide. So in my vision is, I will complete the syllabus, each aspect of syllabus one by one. You can be totally fully aware that whatever the question that you will in our paid subscription model, what we will do is there will be 4 times better frequency, 4 times better effort from my side. I will be personally guiding you what you have to do, this, and how much time you have to write, what else you have to write, what has to be your strategy of writing, and all other aspects in a very cheap and affordable price. I know it is corona time going, everybody cannot pay high price of 20,000, 25,000 and all that. In my and my team's vision, we have decided, it is our mission to make each and every person affordable and aspire to get something bigger. So we have set the price of 399 rupees per month. 399 rupees per month you will be paying us, so that we will be producing better and better content in our subscription model. In this particular YouTube channel, the free content will be available, but the frequency as well as the depth and seriousness will be 4 times higher in the subscription model. In the subscription videos, I will be providing you your personal guidance. I will be teaching each and every aspect of syllabus, plus all the question format, all the question and answer format for the main. In that you will be getting a better seriousness for your preparation. And I hope all of you are interested. Let me know in my comment box who all are interested. And 399 rupees is the basic price. In 6 months time we will be covering each and every aspect. In 6 months hardly you will be paying around 2,400 rupees, as well as if you will buy the mock test, that is separate. Whatever the mock test and main test series, that will be separate. And in today's discussion I will be going about the Odisha Geography, and especially about Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake, you know that Chilka Lake is very important from mains perspective as well as from interview perspective. You have to know about Chilka Lake in order to each and every aspect of question you have to be able to answer, because Chilka Lake is the jewel of Odisha, and you have to know it so that you can better answer it as well as main as well as in the interview. And especially the Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake is spreading in 3 districts, Ganjam, Khurda and Puri, and in the eastern side it is Bay of Bengal. So the question may come that problems encountered in the ecosystem of Chilka Lake. Sorry, what are the problems which are there in the ecosystem of Chilka Lake? So, problems encountered in the ecosystem of Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake is the brackish water lagoon. It is a brackish water lagoon. It is the largest brackish water lagoon in the world. You can say Ganjam, Khurda and Puri. What is my trick in this? GKP, GK Padho. Whenever you find Chilka Lake, GKP is my trick. GK Padho in order to get selected in civil service. So GKP, Ganjam, Khurda and Puri. My trick GKP. Remember this. UNESCO World Heritage Site, east side of Bay of Bengal. There is, when you will say it is Bay of Bengal is in the eastern side of Chilka Lake, and area is 1100 square kilometer. Remember, area 1100 square kilometer. Eastern side there is Bay of Bengal, and Ganjam, Khurda and Puri, it is the three districts in which Chilka Lake is there. UNESCO World Heritage Site, Ramsar Wetland, 1st October 1981. It is being considered as a Ramsar site from 1st October 1981, and it is rivers are Bhargavi, Daya, Makra, Malaguni and Luna. BDMML is the, you can say the metric. BD, B for Bhargavi, D for Daya, then Makra, Malaguni and Luna. These are the rivers in which are draining into Chilka Lake. Then maximum length is 64.3 km, maximum depth is 4.2 meter. 160 species of birds, very important. Around 160 species of birds come to Chilka Lake, and which are very helpful for the, you can say, ecotourism. People from all across India and even from the world come to Chilka in order to see those birds, a different species. Because what happens in the colder regions of the Siberia, they also come to Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake in order for a hibernate, especially for the winter season. And in the winter season, after the passage of winter season, they again go back to the native places. And that is the thing. Then what are the major issues? The special question is this, about this issues of Chilka Lake. This particular question will be coming in the main examination as well as the interview. You have to be very thorough about this particular thing. Water surface shrinkage. The water surface is slowly shrinking, especially of Chilka Lake. Choking of inlet channel due to shifting of mouth connecting to the sea. Choking. What is happening? There is due to so much of the silting, the water surface is slowly shrinking, and that is reflected in the major issues of Chilka. Siltation due to littoral drift and sediments from inland river system. What happens? As you know that these rivers are draining into Chilka Lake, these rivers are bringing in with them the siltation, the sand residues. And that is what is happening is they are slowly choking Chilka Lake. Then overfishing and unsustainable fishing. This is overfishing and unsustainable fishing is very high. People are using various methods to overfish. In order to overfish, they are destroying the total ecosystem of Chilka Lake. And another one is proliferation of freshwater invasive species. There are certain freshwater invasive species are also proliferating into Chilka Lake, which is also a very big issue. Then boat propellers disturb endangered dolphins in lake. Controlled growth of dolphin tourism. Boat propellers disturb the endangered species, endangered dolphins in lake. Uncontrolled growth of dolphin tourism. There is uncontrolled, you can say, the dolphin tourism. Dolphin, people are willing to see the dolphin. In order to see the dolphin, they come and do this kind of an unsustainable thing. Even the plastics are thrown into the Chilka Lake. That is also a major issue. The government has to take steps. Not only that, the people has to be kept aware constantly about the fragility of this very eco-sensitive zone, and people has to be made aware, and there has to be a strict law and enforcement authority who will be taking charge of this particular issue, and the tourism has to be regulated so that the speciality of Chilka Lake can be preserved for a longer duration. Then overall loss of the biodiversity with decline in productivity adversely affecting the livelihood of community. What is happening? Overall the biodiversities are slowly losing in Chilka Lake. Because of the loss of biodiversity with the decline of productivity affecting the livelihood of the community. The community who are hugely dependent on Chilka Lake, especially the fishermen community as well as the tourism dependent community. These people are slowly facing the heat because slowly the siltation is high, Chilka Lake is shrinking, and if there is no dredging, then it will be further shrinkage, and slowly it will vanish in some day if we will not be taking the steps in order to preserve Chilka Lake. Then measures like Mangal Jodi ecotourism is a step in that direction. Mangal Jodi ecotourism is a step in right direction. The Mangal Jodi ecotourism type has to be developed in the other places of Chilka, so that the kind of a impact the Chilka Lake is making, it is going to be there for a longer duration. Then you can say in 2002 Chilka Lake was taken out of Montreal's record. Chilka Lake was taken out of Montreal's record in 2002. Then Chilka Lake is the first Ramsar site in Asia to be removed from Montreal's record. Chilka Lake is the first Ramsar site in Asia to be removed out of Montreal's record. Now for your information, what is Montreal's record? There can be a question in prelims about Montreal's record. Even in the main 2-marker question or a 5-marker question, you have to write Montreal's record is the register of wetland on the list of Ramsar Wetland of international importance. Montreal's record is what? Montreal's record is the record of the Ramsar site, wetland site. All the wetland sites mentioned in the Ramsar site, Montreal's is the record of all the sites. I hope the things are clear in this particular thing. Let's do a quick recap what we have studied. Chilka Lake brackish water lagoon, you remember it is the GKP. I told you GK Padho. GK Padho for selection. That is Ganjam, Khorda and Puri. East side there is Bay of Bengal. Area is 1100 square kilometer. UNESCO World Heritage Site. You remember it. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Very important. Wetland. From 1st October 1981, then maximum length 64.3 km, maximum depth 4.2 meter, 160 types of species whichever come to Chilka Lake. Issues at Chilka Lake: water surface shrinkage, water surface is sinking fast, choking of inland channel due to septing of mouth connecting to the sea, then siltation due to littoral drift and sediments from inland river system. There is shrinkage due to inland river systems shrinkage, then proliferation of freshwater invasive species, then overfishing and unsustainable fishing, overfishing as well as unsustainable fishing, boat propellers disturb endangered dolphins in lake, uncontrolled growth of dolphin tourism, overall loss of biodiversity with the decline of productivity adversely affecting the livelihood of community. Measures like Mangal Jodi ecotourism is in the step in right direction. We need to develop as well as promote the type of tourism that is Mangal Jodi ecotourism. And in 2002, Chilka Lake was taken out of Montreal's record. What is Montreal's record? It is the record in which Ramsar site are mentioned. And Chilka Lake is the lake which was the first Asian site which was taken out of Montreal's record. I hope this part of discussion is clear. Do make a note of all this, which is going to be very helpful for your main preparation as well as interview preparation. And do let me know about our subscription model. Who all are interested, say yes, I am interested and I am in. Do write me in the comment box. It will be hardly costing you 399 rupees per month subscription, and we will be providing you far better value than the online coaching institutes who are looting. I personally say looting the people, and people especially having very less resources, they cannot afford the higher prices of this particular thing. So my vision is to provide you with less and affordable price. It will be giving me a motivation to continue whatever things that we are doing. And do let me know in the comment box, yes, I am interested, I am in, and it is hardly 399 rupees. Thank you very much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.